The Constitution of India. Part 3. Fundamental Rights. Right against exploitation. Article 23. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. 1. Traffic in human beings, and begar, and other similar forms of forced labor, are prohibited. And any contravention of this provision shall be an offence, punishable, in accordance with law. 2. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from imposing compulsory service for public purposes. And in imposing such service, the state shall not make any discrimination on grounds only of religion, race, caste or class or any of them.